My name's Jeff Anderson. I'm the maintenance supervisor at Daikin Applied, Faribault South. Daikin's a manufacturing facility. They make rooftop air conditioners. Right now, Daikin has 5 North America sites and 7 South America sites, all online with eMaint at the moment. We're mainly tracking assets such as punch presses, brake presses, spot welding equipment, and storage units. We started in X4 and we kind of realized really quick we'd reached the end of the potential there. So when we migrated to X5, that really gave us an opportunity to see growth. My customer success manager is Candy Marsh. She's helped out greatly getting us on the right path, allowing us to meet with the right people, get us where we need to be today. You know, having early on training, Fluke recommends pre-training, that would be great, and then once you get it set up, you know, a basic user training so you can get all your technicians or people using the account familiarized with it and they can move forward successfully. Anyone that has the opportunity to come to Xcelerate, it's a great way to learn from beginning stages all the way through advanced. The training here has been a great asset to our team. We've come here multiple years now and received from the learning classes to the tech support, great opportunity to resolve issues or find out about, you know, what's coming down the pipeline next.